To record a lecture, use a good quality USB stick formatted as FAT32 or NTFS and insert into the correct port. Wait for the green light to show that the USB stick has mounted correctly, and then press record. The record button goes solid red to indicate recording is in progress, and the green light flashes. Press Mark to create a chapter point. Press Pause if there's something you do not want to record. The pause light will flash. Press Record to resume recording. Press Stop to end the recording session. Wait for the green light to stop flashing before removing the USB stick.